Burfies are available in wide range. Today I'm going to show you a colorful green burfi with pistachio, which is healthy and very easy to prepare. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special Pista Burfi. Take 200 grams of pistachio, wash well and soak in warm milk for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drop the pistachio along with milk in a blender jar. Now into the same jar, add 200 grams of sugar. Now blend all to a paste. You can make fine paste or coarse paste. Coarse paste will give good taste while eating. Now drop this paste in a thick bottom pan and start to cook on a medium flame by stirring continuously. Don't stop stirring. If you stop, bottom will catch and burfi color will change. And if pan has thin bottom also, bottom will catch. So try to use thick bottom pan. When sugar melts and burfi becomes thick, switch off the gas. You can take small portion and check the consistency by making small ball. If ball comes perfect round, then the burfi is ready. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter and mix well. Now spread the burfi to the pan edges and rest it for overnight in room temperature. The next day, scrape off the burfi from the pan. After scraping, keep the pan aside and take square cake mold aligned with baking paper and spread 20 to 30 grams of sliced pistachio. Now take the burfi and press gently to make uniform consistency. Now place the burfi in the mold. Now with the help of spatula, press and adjust the burfi to make uniform shape. After adjusting, refrigerate for about 30 minutes to settle up. This makes burfi easy to cut. After 30 minutes, take out the burfi and cut into desired shapes. Here I am cutting into small square shape pieces.